Ryan Breton joins us with our full forecast. We saw Keith and Dana out at the Cumberland Fair, and another beautiful night to be out there enjoying the fair.
Sure is, and we've got a little bit of rain in the forecast, which obviously we need, but still overall, most days there will be time to get outside.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So still not that day-long soaker that we actually need.
Exactly.
But
there
it's
are
in the
parts of the
forecast.
state that when we add up all the rain through the week, though, could be some places that get over 2 inches, which would be
Okay.
great.
Yeah.
So, I'll show you that in a minute. First off, welcome to fall, the autumnal equinox this afternoon at 2:19. That's when the sun's rays are directly over the equator, and from now until the vernal equinox in March, the southern hemisphere will be tilted toward the sun while we are tilting away and headed toward winter here in the northern hemisphere. Right now in Portland, lots of sunshine out there. It's 65 degrees, but there is a gusty breeze, especially along the coastline. Wind right now 15 miles per hour, gusting to 23 in Portland. Steady breeze at 17 in Bar Harbor, gusting a bit higher than that. And given this is a southerly wind coming in off the ocean, the numbers have dropped back a bit along the coast. Generally in the mid 60s there, but still upper 60s to low 70s, depending on where you are inland. A few clouds spreading in now, but the rest of the day and into this evening will be just fine. Frontal system off to our west with some areas of rain here. I think the best chance to get some showers tomorrow will be in southern and western Maine in the afternoon. Eastern and northern Maine, you probably don't get a ton of rain. In fact, you may get a few showers tonight up over northern Maine, but what's notable about tonight is it's not going to be crisp and cool like we were over the weekend with low temperatures in the upper 20s and even low 30s in spots. Tomorrow morning, we're generally starting out in the 50s. And we should see partly sunny skies in most spots through the morning hours tomorrow. And if we see some sunshine, the air mass will be able to warm up probably into the mid and maybe even some upper 70s, especially if these showers hold off just a little bit tomorrow afternoon. This is 2 o'clock. Again, the best chance for some showers tomorrow afternoon, probably south and west of Waterville. If you're in eastern and northern Maine, don't expect much rain tomorrow afternoon. And these showers will slide through into the afternoon and evening, dropping the temperatures a bit. But again, you see the majority of them probably about Waterville south. Eastern and northern Maine, you don't get much rain tomorrow. 74 in Bangor, 71 in Millinocket. Before the showers make it here, we could squeeze an upper 70 out in parts of southern Maine. So if they hold off an hour or two, you might be able to warm to near 80 in a couple of spots tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow night, that front presses south, and on Wednesday, I think it really depends on where you are. If you're in southern and western Maine, more clouds, a few showers possible, especially Wednesday morning. Eastern and northern Maine, though, will clear out nicely with temperatures bouncing back to around 70 on Wednesday afternoon. For the first time in a while, a more formidable storm system comes in on Thursday. Some showers are possible in the morning, and then a period of some steadier rain coming in Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening. Could be a few showers Friday morning, but this front should slide by and high pressure builds in for the weekend, bringing us another good looking one. So this is one of our computer models, and it's honing in on the front hanging by on Wednesday with a little extra rain tomorrow night in southern Maine, and then perhaps some downpours Thursday afternoon. So the best chance for 1 to 2 inches and maybe even more than that looks to be over southern Maine. It does not look like the rainfall amounts will be as substantial through this whole week in the northern half of the state. At least that's the way we see it now, and we'll keep you posted through the week. Seas tomorrow 3 to 5 feet with a southwest wind 10 to 15 knots on the water. So there's your 7-day forecast. Again, tomorrow morning we should have some sunshine, but then showers developing in southern and central Maine in the afternoon. Could be a shower in southern Maine Wednesday morning and certainly some clouds, but in eastern and northern Maine it should be really nice Wednesday afternoon. Steadier rain Thursday midday and afternoon, and then right now we get a really good weekend. And notice the lows, not going to be as chilly as the weekend we just experienced. So looks good to me.
Okay, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.